Okay, it's 9:41 a.m. CNET put up a nice intraday breakout, confirmed breakout, and broke past this level, pre-market level of I'd say $3 roughly. Broke out of it, bounced back and forth, considered buying, but I don't know. I only have one day trade left, and day trades are pretty precious. It didn't seem like for a lot of times, especially with these two wicks that it could have done it or wouldn't have done it. So it actually did, which is impressive. I just have to get better. I just have to make more adjustments. Very similar to the other stock from yesterday. I don't even remember the name anymore. Oh, FTFT was yesterday's when it did that same breakout over 252. The pre-market highs right here. Right when it did it, it bounced back down, kind of held the level, and then broke out. It's just a small difference because CNET didn't really bounce past it and then come back, unless you want to count these wicks, but it still relatively was the same thing. So it was a pretty nice move now in the 340s. I don't know how long this thing can run. It doesn't matter the setup I was interested in. It's no longer there, although it happened, which is a good thing. I just have to keep getting better. Now in the 340s, I'm not going to chase this, of course, especially considering the fact that I have day trades. MDGS seemed to have a potential. Ideally, when the market opened, it would have picked up volatility. This one lacks volatility. Could have done a nice spike, maybe break the intraday, maybe do intraday breakouts over the pre-market levels. Didn't do any of that. Seems to be fading. Maybe puts up an inverse head and shoulders, but nothing so far. FTFT got halted. I didn't see this until now. This is pretty impressive, so I'll just keep looking. I did miss a nice setup with CNET. You live and learn. Good to see that I was right. I just didn't pull the trigger on it. I just have to keep making little adjustments. I have to keep getting better. Okay, it's 10:04 a.m. To be honest, I haven't really been looking at the stocks. Just salty that I missed the setup here with CNET 296 to 393. I missed the setup. It was a bit scary, but I mean, you never know for sure if it's gonna work out or not. You just have to try. As long as you have a risk level, which was clear here, the $3 range. It's a little wicky, not an exact science, but if it shows a clear uptrend of it failing, you should get out. Or if it's just not doing what you want, you can also get out. Maybe you miss out on this run up here, but you get better, and you at least traded it, at least tried. I need to not worry so much about my day trades. I could just use interactive brokers and E-Trade for the charts. I'm pretty salty that I missed out, and for that reason I just don't want to trade. I don't want to be a revenge trading or just a salty trader. FTFT, they kind of hold this $9 range off of here. Again, probably just being salty. I didn't see this setup either. I was looking at other things outside of trading. So what I'm going to do is just work on my business. I'm going to study another 3 hours like yesterday, or maybe more. This thing can go to 14. I don't care. I just have to keep getting better. And I can't take it too personally. I just have to keep getting better. And of course I was probably wasn't going to hold all the way to 440, but maybe I get in at the breakout level, I sell in the 330s and be very happy, and then maybe consider the set follow-up breakouts, with a better mindset, not necessarily being the way I am right now, just salty for missing out, under trading. I just have to keep getting better. Like I said, I'm going to work on stocks by studying another 3 hours or so. I'm going to work on my business early, just do a whole bunch of things. I'm going to call this off early, but I just have to keep getting better. This is a very nice short squeeze. Unfortunately, I'm not in it, but maybe there'll be one in the future, and I'll be able to get in. But until then, I just have to keep studying and, like I said, keep getting better.